AI tools every beginner should know in 2026. There are thousands of AI tools out there right now. And if you are just starting, honestly, it can be very overwhelming. You don't need 50 AI tools, trust me. You only need to know which ones are actually useful for you. In this video, I'm going to be giving you 10 useful AI tools that you need in 2026. You cannot do without them, honestly. I'll be telling you what each one does, what you can use it for, and how to get started. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are returning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. All right, let's quickly dive in. You know my name, I'm Vicky, and I'll be telling you 10 useful, important, beginner-friendly AI tools that you can make do with in 2026 for any kind of work, any of your work at all, as long as it's online and tech-based. This is VambConcept Digital Academy, where we learn practical digital skills, explore useful AI tools, discover ways to create with technology, and learn how to turn digital skills into opportunity. And if you've already subscribed, welcome back. So in this series, we are going to be exploring digital skills, AI creation, freelancing, and ways you can build something valuable with the technology you already have. I am starting with AI because AI is no longer something only for tech people. You can use AI tools for schools, businesses, graphic designs, content creation, research, writing, video editing, and so much more. But here's the problem. Every day, they come up with another tool, another website, another channel, another story, another app, another revolutionary AI. And if you are a beginner, you can easily spend all your time downloading tools upon tools, up to 50 tools, and you end up finding out that none of them are beneficial to you. So today, I'm going to save you all those stress, and I'll simplify everything for you into 10 most useful AI tools that you cannot do without in 2026. And stay till the end, because I'll also tell you which one I personally recommend for you to start with if you have never used AI tools before. So the first AI tool on my list here is ChatGPT. Yes, I know you've heard it before, so it's not straight to your ear. ChatGPT is a very useful AI tool in 2026. This tool can help you brainstorm ideas, explain difficult topics, write and improve content for you. ChatGPT can help you to create outlines, summarize information. It can help you generate scripts, and it can also help you learn new skills. For those of you that you have a skill that you really want to learn, but you don't have the finance or enough resources to get the skill, you can actually learn this skill step by step for free on ChatGPT. To download ChatGPT, go to your Play Store or your App Store and simply type ChatGPT. Then download it. It is easy and it is free. With consistency and the right prompts, you are going to really enjoy ChatGPT in anything you do. All right, because of our time, I'll be rushing it up because we are going to number 10. So I'll be rushing it up now. The second one is Perplexity. Perplexity is an AI tool that is useful for research and finding information. Perplexity is especially useful when you are researching a topic and you want answers with sources. Like maybe you are doing a project, you are researching a topic and you want answers. Perplexity is the go-to. Even in learning a skill, you can use Perplexity. All right. So, for example, You can go to Perplexity now and type what are the most important graphic design trends in 2026. It will bring down a whole list for you, and yours is to take the ones that you feel you are okay with. Instead of opening dozens of tabs, you can use AI research tools to help you get started. But also remember, don't blindly copy everything AI gives you. You can also do your due diligence and check important information against reliable sources. Third tool here on my list is Canva. Yes, you heard that right, Canva. Canva is a very useful tool. It is useful in your graphic design, and it is an AI powered content creation. All right, so if you have been following me for a while, you already know Canva is one of the tools I love for beginners. I've always talked about Canva in everything you do. Canva is free, it's affordable, it doesn't use much data. You can create your flyers, your logos, presentations, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, posters, ebooks, business documents, videos on Canva. Canva also has an increasingly AI feature into its design workflow. You don't need an expert designer before you start creating. You can learn the fundamentals of it while using simple tools in your creation. And if you are a beginner in graphic design, or you want to step up your graphic design skill, I have other tools I use and my students use, not only Canva, to step up as a professional in this game. I have a graphic design course that you can actually get. It will be in the description of this video, so if you are interested, you can click the link to know more about the graphic design course. Let us continue. The first tool on my list now is CapCut. CapCut is a video editing tool. It's a powerful video editing tool in 2026. It is used for video editing, content creation. If you are creating content from your phone, CapCut will really be of help to you. CapCut is one of the tools worth knowing. You can use it for cutting, arranging clips, generating caption, doing transitions. It has effects, audio. You can input audio on it. You can use it in creation of your short form videos. If you are thinking, I want to start editing videos, I want to start content creation, I want to start producing videos for one purpose or the other, CapCut is your to-go or your go-to, and it has AI tools embedded in it. So you can use those AI tools to do different things. You can use it for transitioning, you can use it for editing. You don't need to make your videos complicated because CapCut is free, okay? CapCut is free, but there are limited tools for free users. If you want to create videos without limitation, I have a CapCut standard that can be useful for you. Check my description for that. All right, let's continue. The next tool on my list, which is number, drum rolls please. The fifth tool on my list is Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is an AI powered image creation and editing tool. It can help creators generate and modify visual content. For example, you can use generative feature to create visual concepts, generate images, change elements, expand images, and the likes. This can be especially useful for graphic designers and content creators. It is also useful for video editors. This is one area that we'll explore more deeply on this channel. The next tool on my list is Runway, and Runway is an AI video creation and editing tool. All right, it is worth knowing if you are interested in AI generated videos. Runway can be used for things like generating videos, creating visual effects, experimenting with AI video, editing and transforming footage. And if you've been seeing these impressive AI videos online and you are wondering, how are people making this? How come? This tool, Runway, is one secret tool that they use. But again, AI is the tool. Your creativity is still the director. Number 7, 11 Labs. 11 Labs is useful for AI voice and audio creation. This can be particularly interesting for people creating narrated videos, faceless content, storytelling, voiceovers, and audio content. If you don't want to record anything using your voice, or you don't want to show your face, this AI tool can create a voice for you. So it even saves you of stress. But if you are building a personal brand, I'll still encourage that you use your voice. And if you are not in faceless niche, I'll still encourage that you show your face for personality and your branding. The eighth tool on my list is Grammarly. Yes, you heard it. You might be thinking, Grammarly, what should I use Grammarly to do in my work, in my... Yes, Grammarly is a very, very useful tool, and it helps with grammar, punctuations, spelling, and general errors in English language, tone, clarity, and professional writing. This can be useful for students, freelancers, business owners, entrepreneur, and content creators. Imagine writing a proposal to a potential client, and you're writing like someone that has not even gotten out of basic 6. Instead of sending your first draft immediately, you can place it on Grammarly, and then it will refine the words for you, and you are good to go. Although it will spot errors and also improve clarity, but I'll advise that you check your work yourself again. I'll advise that you always review the final version yourself. All right, number 9 is Notion AI. It is a useful tool for organization and productivity. Notion itself is a workspace for things like notes, projects, tasks, planning, databases, content calendars, and with its AI capabilities, you can also use it to help organize and work with information. For instance, a content creator can use it to create a content calendar containing idea, script, recording, editing, thumbnail, even to the point of being published. Instead of keeping all your ideas and all the content scattered on your phone, you can use Notion AI to arrange it properly. The final tool on my list is Gemini AI. Yes, you heard me correctly, Gemini AI. Gemini is a very useful AI assistant tool for brainstorming, writing, research, and working with Google's ecosystem. Depending on the features available to you, it can help with brainstorming, writing, summarizing, learning, researching, and working with information. And because Google is such a huge part of the digital ecosystem, it is worth knowing what Gemini can do. So you can try it out and get Gemini, okay? It will be very, 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 very useful for you. It's also free. Take notes. The bonus point is that you don't need all 10 of them. Now, let me give you the most important advice in this entire video. Please don't download all these tools and do nothing with them. This is one of the biggest mistakes most beginners make. They watch video like this, download all 10 AI tools, and then create accounts with all 10 of them. Don't do that. Sometimes they try each one for 5 minutes and end up not even liking any one of them. Instead, if I were you, I would choose 1 or 2 of these tools and work with it for my daily activities. All right, if I were a beginner, where will I start? Based on my own perspective of all these tools I've listed, I'm going to start from ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is a tool that can do almost what other AI tools can also do. So ChatGPT is almost like a 1 in 5 tool that you need to get in 2026. If you want to research, you know that Perplexity is the go-to. If you want to design, you know that it's Canva. Especially if you're a beginner in graphic designer and you don't know much about any other tools, just stick to Canva. If you want to edit video, just download CapCut and save yourself the stress of downloading the thing. If you want to create AI images, Adobe Firefly is your go-to. If you want AI videos, Runway is your assistant. If you need AI voice, 11 Labs is waiting for you. If you want better writing, Grammarly is there for you. If you want productivity, Notion AI is the best in the game. If you want another major AI assistant in the place of ChatGPT, just run to Gemini AI. And you don't need to master all of them. Start with the ones that solve the problems you currently have. The bigger lesson here is that AI is not the skill. Knowing how to use AI to solve your problem is the real skill. Anyone can open ChatGPT and type, "Give me business ideas." But the person who knows what to ask, the correct prompt to use, how to evaluate the answer, how to improve it, and how to apply it will get much more value from the same tool almost everybody has. Don't focus on becoming someone who knows 100 AI tools, but focus on becoming someone who knows how to use the few tools they already have really well. If this video helped you understand AI better, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and share this video to all those that you think it's going to benefit. Also, tell me in the comments, which of the AI tools have you already used? Which one do you find helpful, and which one are you going to download in the future? I'll see you in the next video. My next video will be about 5 digital skills you can learn using just your smartphone. No laptop needed. Make sure you watch it. Bye.